Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Sonic Forces Battle PvP account with your Play Store account. It's very easy and simple. Just tap on the scroll, go into the account, tap on the connect, then tap on continue. It will take a time, so don't worry. You can see my account has been connected with the Google Play Store account. My Game Boy Relax is automatically saving on Google Play Games. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.